This video shows you how to install Ring Video Doorbell if you want to wire it to your existing doorbell system. To be compatible, your doorbell transformer must supply 8 to 24 volts AC at 50 or 60 Hertz with a maximum power rating of 40 volt amps. If your transformer doesn't meet these specs, you can install the Ring Hardwired Transformer Kit or install your video doorbell wirelessly. If you're wiring directly to a doorbell transformer without an internal chime, you must purchase the Ring wire-wound resistor accessory and install it according to the included instructions. First, fully charge the internal battery by plugging one end of the included USB cable into the port on the back of your doorbell and the other into a USB power source. While charging, the light ring on the front of your doorbell will show the charging progress. When the light ring is fully lit, your doorbell is fully charged and ready to use. Okay, let's set up your new doorbell. Open the Ring app and start the setup process. Then just follow the instructions in the app. The optimal installation height for video doorbell is 4 feet above the ground. This gives you the best motion detection coverage for most doorways. Before you begin to install, shut off power at the breaker. Then remove your existing doorbell from the wall and disconnect the wires. Now remove the mounting bracket from the rear of your video doorbell. Insert the included mini level into the bracket. Center the bubble on the mini level to ensure it's straight. Then use it as a template to mark the install location. If you're installing video doorbell on stucco, brick, or concrete, use the provided drill bit to drill holes into your wall and insert the included anchors into the holes. If you're installing on wood or siding, you can skip this step. Hold the mounting bracket in place on the wall with your doorbell wires running through the hole in the middle. Then drive the included screws to secure the mounting bracket to your wall and remove the mini level. Next, loosen the terminal screws on the back of your video doorbell. Secure your doorbell wires under the terminal screws and give them a little tug to make sure they're firmly attached. It doesn't matter which is which, as long as one wire goes to each screw and the wires aren't touching. Next, feed all the wires back into your wall and place your doorbell onto its mounting bracket. Hook it on at the top and swivel it down until it's flush. Switch the included screwdriver bit to the star-shaped end. Then use it to secure your video doorbell with the 2 included security screws. Turn power on at the breaker and you're done. Need a little more help? Head to ring.com/help.